morning, students. Yesterday we studied topic quadrilateral, then types of quadrilateral, angles of property of quadrilateral. Today we will study properties of parallelogram. Okay. Today we will study properties of parallelogram. Can you hear me? Properties of a parallelogram. The first property is a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. First property is diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. That is the first property. Okay. So we shall prove that. First property is what? A diagonal. It is put in the form of theorem. Okay, directly I will write the theorem. Theorem 7.1. A diagonal of a parallelogram divide it into two congruent triangles, divide it into two congruent triangles. First we shall draw a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. First I will explain, then we shall write the steps. So we need one diagonal. What is the theorem? Diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Divides it into two congruent triangles. Here AC is the diagonal. AC diagonal divides parallelogram into two triangles. And these two triangles are congruent. Congruent means that is 6 elements of one triangle are equal to 6 elements of other triangle. That is 3 sides of this triangle and 3 sides of this triangle are equal. 3 sides of this 3 angles of this triangle and 3 angles of this triangle are equal. That is corresponding elements are equal. How to prove this? Okay, how to prove this? Here, AB is parallel to CD. AB, I will draw here. It is like this. Here, AB is there. Let us say AB, CD, another. Here, these two, which kind of angle? Which kind of angle these two?
Alternate angles.
Alternate angles. Okay. What is parallelogram? Definition of parallelogram, tell me. What is parallelogram? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. Okay. They will be equal, but the basic definition is the parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. If those are parallel, automatically those will be equal. Here we take opposite sides are parallel. So here AB is parallel to CD. Then this angle and this angle. Okay, this angle, this and this. These are which kind of angle? Alternate angle. Okay, exactly like this. These two alternate angles. These alternate angles are equal. You can name them. We shall, for easy understanding, I'll use this. Okay, let us say this is 1, this is 2. 1 and 2 are equal. Correct? 1 and 2 are equal. Similarly, it is AD and BC, it is like this. So which are alternate here? These two. Correct? These are alternate. AD is parallel to BC. So then these are alternate angles. So here AD and BC are also parallel because it is parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. So here 3 and 4 are equal. 3 and 4 are equal. Okay? In these triangles, in later we shall write all sections. First I want to make you understand. In triangle ABC and triangle ABC and ACD, which are equal, angle 1 equal to angle 2, y alternate angle. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, y alternate angle. AC is common. Then what? Then both the triangles are congruent by, therefore, by angle side angle. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Which triangle? ABC is congruent to. ABC is congruent to which one? EDA or ADC or DCA. Tell me. Yes? Okay. Triangle EDA, correct?
ABC.
EDA, you check A equals here, B equals to B equals to B and B are equal. And if you take BAC, where is BAC? BAC is 1, BAC. BCA, where is BCA? BCA 2, 1 and 2 are equal. If you take BAC, okay, BCA, if you take BCA, where is BCA? BCA, BCA 4, BCA equals BAC, where is BAC? BAC 4 and 3 are equal. It should be written that way. If you write instead of BA, if you write ADC, it will not be correct. Understood now? Have you understood, students? Now we shall write that. What is given we should write. So you can say directly they have given proof. We will write that given, what is given. Let ABCD be a or ABCD is a parallelogram or you can write let and AC is a diagonal and AC is a diagonal that divides parallelogram into two triangles. That is triangle ABC and triangle ADC. It divides the parallelogram into two triangles. To prove means what you should prove? You should prove both the triangles are congruent. Which triangle? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. We have to prove this. Okay. If any construction is there, what should be written? Construction is join AC. That is already written in here. Construction. What is the construction? Draw the diagonal AC. Draw a diagonal AC. Now, proof. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, which are equal parts. Triangle ABC, okay. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is what? BCA, or you can take that. Anyone will take BAC. Angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. Which is BAC is 1. BCA is 2. 1 and 2 are equal. Because these are pair of alternate angle, pair of alternate angles, pair of alternate angles. AB is parallel to CD and AC is transversal and AC is transversal. AB and CD are parallel lines and AC is a transversal. Therefore, 1 and 2 are pair of alternate angles. Since lines are parallel, pair of alternate angles are equal. Lines parallel is alternate angles equal is alternate angles equal is lines parallel is. ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 1 and 2 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ these are equal. Similarly, angle BCA equals angle BAC. BCA equals angle BAC. These are also pair of alternate interior. Alternate interior angles. These are pair of alternate interior angles and which are the parallel lines. The parallel lines are AD and here like this. The parallel lines AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC and AC is diagonal. AC is diagonal. Now, line AC is common. AC is common. You can name it number 1, number 1, number 2, number 3. From 1 to 3 you can say R. Therefore, the angle side angle by angle side angle by AS by ASA both the triangles are congruent. Which are the triangles? Therefore, by ASA, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. That's all. You understood, students? If not understood, please tell me.
Understood, sir.
Okay, good. Next property or next theorem number 7.2. What is theorem number 7.2? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Students, already we have proved up to this one. Okay. Here, to prove opposite sides are equal, the same steps can be written up to this. Okay. Theorem number 7.1 up to this you write. After proving both the triangles are congruent, what you can say? You can say corresponding parts are equal. Which are corresponding parts? AD equals CD, AD equals BC. Okay. This theorem number 7.2, in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal, you have to prove. Okay. In the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Only in the theorem number 7.1, only you need to change what to prove. To prove is there no. There you have written diagonal divide parallelogram into two congruent triangles. That should be changed. What you should write? You should write to prove here. In this one way, now for theorem number 7.2, all of you rewrite the 7.1, theorem number 7.1. Given you write, then to prove only thing. To prove, what you have to prove? What is asked? They have asked you to opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. We have to prove opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. In this case, in this diagram, which are opposite sides, that is here we have to prove AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. This much we should prove. Okay? First you write given, then you write to prove. Remaining same set up to this. All of it. Okay? Write all the same steps. Because proof is same. But from here I will write now. From here I will write. Already we proved both the triangles are congruent. So corresponding parts are equal. Which are corresponding parts? This implies AB. AB is equal to what? AB equal to CD. Here AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Okay. Then BC equal to DA or AD. 6. AB equal to CD, BC equal to DA. Opposite sides are equal. Why? Because these are corresponding parts of congruent triangle. This is true. You understood or not? Any doubt is there, you can tell me.
No, sir.
Theorem number 7.2 ದಲ್ಲಿ proof ಏನದ up to this theorem number 1 ತರನ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ theorem 7.1 ದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದಿರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ corresponding parts ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ corresponding parts ಅವು AB equal to CD and then BC equal to AD or shall I erase students? Anyway, 7.1 you have written already. I will erase. Next, theorem number 7.3. If each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. Then it is a parallelogram. They have given a quadrilateral. Okay, one quadrilateral is there. Just see here. This is also quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided closed. Here it is a quadrilateral. But what they have told, in quadrilateral opposite sides are equal. Your opposite sides are not equal. I have drawn a quadrilateral. Simply I have drawn one quadrilateral to make you understand. This is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? Four-sided closed figure. It is a four-sided closed figure. It is a quadrilateral. They have given, for example, in this quadrilateral, its opposite sides are equal. Then is it a parallelogram? Yes, it is a parallelogram. Now, if we draw a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal, I'll draw one quadrilateral here. I have taken 10 inches or 10 centimeters, you can say. It is big in size, but to make you understand, I'm drawing big one. I have drawn AB length of AB and CD are same, and also I have drawn AD length and BC length I have drawn. I don't know if it is parallelogram or not. I have drawn a quadrilateral with opposite sides equal. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. This much is given. Okay, a quadrilateral with opposite sides equal is given. We have to prove this is parallelogram. How to prove it is parallelogram? To tell us whether quadrilateral is a parallelogram, what we should prove? We should prove opposite sides are parallel. Because the definition of parallelogram is the quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel is called a parallelogram. So they have given here quadrilateral. They are saying opposite sides are equal. You have to prove opposite sides are parallel. If you prove opposite sides are parallel, then it becomes a parallelogram. How to prove? Just again join the diagonal or draw the diagonal. Means you should draw AC. This is very simple. Okay. This proof is very simple. Can you tell me the steps, students? Can anyone tell me the steps? How to prove opposite sides are parallel? For example, if I want to prove these two lines are parallel, I can take one transversal and check whether alternate angles are equal or not. If interior alternate angles are equal, these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. Okay. Here we have to check whether alternate angles are equal. These two, this angle and this angle are equal or not, or these two. If you show that these two angles are equal, okay, then we have some alternate angles are equal, interior alternate angles, then these two lines will be parallel. Correct? That how to prove that? Very simple. Already opposite sides are equal. What are the main steps? Main steps are in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. I am writing important steps. Remaining are what is given to prove construction. Okay, all that. In triangle ABC and AD, which are equal? AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. Why? AB equal to no. Why AB equal to CD? It is given here. It is given. Opposite sides of quadrilateral are given, are equal. So it is given. Then AC is common formula. AC is common. Then AD equal to BC, that is also given. AD equal to BC, this is also given. Therefore, by side congruent rule, both the triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. If these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding elements are equal. Which are corresponding elements which we need? We need these two. Which are the BAC? Where is BAC? BAC. Here. First I am taking B, second A, C. BAC. BAC equal to, like that only you should take. BCA. Angle BCA. Which are these? BAC, this one. DCA, this one. Okay, these two are equal. What are these? But these are alternate interior angles. But these are alternate interior angle when AB is parallel to CD. When AB parallel to CD intersected by transversal AC. AB and AB and CD. AD ಮತ್ತು CD ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್ AC ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಈ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Similarly, you can prove AD is parallel to BC also.
We can write this, sir.
Actually, I wrote an important text. Better you should write in sections it is given. So you have to consider some quadrilateral ABCD. That is in given part what you should write. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral. Then draw a diagonal AC. And then to prove, what to prove? To prove ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. Then writing. These are the important steps. This much. What I am trying to say in exam, if you write everything, given this, that, but if these important steps are missing, you don't get marks. And even if you write only this much steps also, you should get marks. Understood? You understood? If you understood, It is given in textbook, you can write, or if you say write again, I will write it. What you say? Shall we write it? All set. Here only I will write upside what should be written. It is given in your textbook. Let us write this much. Okay. Let us side AB and CD. AB and CD as the quadrilateral of the quadrilateral. Which quadrilateral? ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD. B equal. How equal? Also, AB equal to B. Draw also AD equal to BC. Draw diagonal AC. Diagonal AC. So now we can write this much. Students, very clearly, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Here, one more thing. I have drawn two markings. No, two markings self, these are equal. But before proving, these are not equal. We have to prove them. For your understanding, I have drawn like this. These markings, before proving, those are actually not equal. Okay, students, I'll stop here. Thank you all.
Sir, No.
Hello. Hello. Patel. Brother, can you hear me? Hello. Sumu Irwan. Sumu Irwan, can you hear me? Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Why they are ready to say yes or no? Okay. Good morning to all. The students in the last class we are discussing about the family and also we have discussed about the matriarchal family, patriarchal family, and today here we are going to discuss about the modern central family or modern nuclear family. What do you mean by a family? Hello? Tell me anyone else here. What do you mean by family? That is very simple. Yesterday you studied that. Otherwise, you tell opinion regarding that family in your own sentence also. Whether it will be right or wrong, do not hesitate.
Living together.
It is the group of members who are living together under one roof there. Family is the group of people or members here, those who are living together or cooperating together there under one roof. Sometimes there may be only husband, wife, and their children. In some other family here, grandfather, grandmother, and parents, and also children, grandchildren, all they will be there in the family there. The word family is originated from the Latin word famulus, which means to serve. All family members they work together to fulfill their or they serve each other to fulfill their desires. And we discuss about the characteristics of family. It is universal. Family is found in the almost all that society, and it is the basic unit for that all kind of activity, whether it would be political activity, economical activity, social, religious, any kind of that activity. And its continuous responsibilities and also social accountability here. In the family members, they learn the responsibilities and also who is that? Ravi Patel, off your audio. Children and other family members, they learn here a lot of that responsibilities, how to behave with the family members or neighbors or elders and girls or any other strangers also. And also it teaches us here social that responsibilities, how to keep clean, how to behave with the others outside, how to face the challenges in the society way. These all we will learn in the family way. And bringing up and then nurturing. Here parents they take care about their children during their young age, and while they turn to old age, your children they will take care about their parents. Each other here with the coordination with the moral values here they live together. And also it teaches us here the social behavior and inspect the traditions here. Whatever that traditions, rituals, customs are there, they will pass from one generation to another generation through the family there. Parents, they learn here that traditions, rituals, culture, that all rules and regulations, all that rituals, and later on they will teach that all rituals to their children. There are three types of generation in the family. First generation, that is a grandparents. Second generation is a parents, and third generation is children. This is the picture of two generations, because here parents are also there and then the children are also there. And this is the picture of a three generation family. All parents, grandparents, and children are there in this picture. This is a extended family. Extended family also, it is equal to that joint family there. All the family members like grandparents, parents, children, grandchildren, and other their relatives, uncle, auntie, they all live together in one roof there. Further, they mentioned that extended family, but it is a part of the joint family there. Types of a family. There are different types of family with the following nature. Actually, there are two. First, according to the structure of a family there, according to the structure, according to the number of that family. That is the first one, joint family, and second one, nuclear family. Which family do we call nuclear? In the nuclear family only parents and their unmarried children they live together there, and in the joint family all grandparents, parents, off your audio, and their grandchildren, children, they all live together in the that joint family. But here, based on the few structures here, they divide into different divisions here based on the kinship. It means the blood relationship here. Based on the residence of the spouse, matrilocal residence family and patrilocal residence family here. Matrilocal residence family is related to both of mother, and patrilocal residence family is related to the father. And based on the ancestry or descent here, matrilineal family and patrilineal family here. Here, different. Don't disturb me here. And based on the nature authority, matriarchal family and then patriarchal family here. In all types of these family here, the first one it is based on the or belongs to the mother, and the second patriarchal it is belongs to here that father here. They will live that a family. This is the what matriarchal family here. She will take care about the family there. A family in which the rights of the property and successorship it belongs to the woman. It is called as a matriarchal family here. All that activities or any of the responsibilities in the family, they are handled by the mother, and later on also it will transfer to her daughter. The features of a matriarchal family is here mother-centered family system. She will be the head in the matriarchal family here, and rights of property belongs to the woman. Whatever that property is there in the family here, the leader or owner of the right is the mother there. On her name, that all property it was registered there in the that matriarchal family, and also the hereditary rights passed on to daughter from the mother. Whatever that rights are there, hereditary, they are all passed from the mother to daughter there. And this kind of families are found in the Ravi Patel. Why are you again and again the unmuting it video, the audio? This is the fourth time I have observed you there. Don't repeat it, otherwise I will remove you from the group, remember. Here, matriarchal family, it is found in the coastal area of Karnataka, in the North Canara, Udupi, South Canara, that district there, and also Nayas community of Kerala, in the Kerala state also it is found, and some other tribes which are living in the northeastern part of India. Northeastern part of India means Assam Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Mizoram. In these states, matriarchal family is found more. There are also what the patriarchal family, but more families are what matriarchal family will be the headed by the mother. And the second it is here patriarchal family means based on the father. A family in which father is the head, it is called as patriarchal family here. In the patriarchal family, father is the head, and then all decisions will be taken by him there, and also all that rights they will be on his name, and whatever that activities they will carry on, they will do that on the name of his father only there. If they would like to purchase any kind of property, they purchase on his name. Any kind of goods and services also. And then the features of this patriarchal family here. Father is the head of the family, and married women live in the residence of their husband. Married woman, she will live with her husband in the patriarchal family, and she supports for the all activities of her husband while taking the decisions or managing the family activities or any other kind of that functions. In matriarchal family also, her husband will support to her to carry on all that kind of activities. And here in the patriarchal family, the eldest son has the prominent role because he is the next successor. Therefore, he will be play here a very prominent role in the patriarchal family. After the father and all rights are transferred to the eldest son. Because of that, he play here a very important role. And rights are centered around men. Almost all rights and responsibilities are handled by the all that family man, whether he would be father or son. And this type of families are more in the Greece, Rome, and India, China. These are the two countries which have more that patriarchal family. And the third it is here modern centered family, or it is also called as a modern nuclear family here. Due to the lot of that complexity and issues here, recently this modern nuclear families are increasing in the society there because they have different type of desires, needs and requirements in the society. Family that consists of a father, mother, and their unmarried children as members, it is called as modern nuclear family. Modern nuclear family, or the nuclear family, it consists only father, mother, and their unmarried children, and then all they cooperate each other to get their names. In the recent days here, due to that several issues, these modern nuclear families are increasing. Modern nuclear family have increased in modern society because of this individuality here. most of we will give preference to individuality here in the family and focus on the individual achievements here instead of group achievements here. We will focus on the individual achievements here because here almost all that individuals they will show to get that credit to them only way. They don't want to share that credit with others. But indeed, the ancient days, whatever achievements were done by the family here, they have shared with all their the credit, or there is any kind of loss is also there. But in the modern days here, the all individual achievements they would like to have individually there. Credit all that greatness, prestige, and the concept of individual happiness here, and also the rights of property and rapid urbanization, science and technology. Because of these all issues here, in the modern days, these nuclear families have been increasing in the society. First here, they are giving importance to their individuality and they focus on the individual achievements here instead of group achievements. An example, if we conduct any kind of competitions in the school there, most of or any other students here, they will show to participate individually here. Some of they mingle with the group also, but most of the students here they do not show their interest to mingle in the group. While some the point of that competition, because individually you would like to achieve something in that competition there or that prizes. Like that here in the modern days, this members they are focusing on the individual achievements and individual happiness here, and also they would like to have that rights of property on his name only there. If they would like to show or share the rights of property with others here, there will be more conflict between the family members. Well, it comes to the issue of the rights to property. If there is only one authority regarding that rights of property here, he can take an individual decision here. According to his decision, he can use that property or sale or by using that property he can purchase any kind of other property also. But if there is more than two or any that joint family, there will be a lot of complexity here because all that members they have a right only that property. Whenever it comes to the matter of the property, all they will start to express their opinion in different ways. During this situation, it is a little hard to take a right decision to that family head. Therefore, most of the people in the modern world here, they aren't ready to share that rights of property with others. They would like to have that individually. And also that a rapid urbanization here. In the city here, most of the families they are nuclear family, only parents and their children, unmarried children, they live together and support each other within the family. And also that modern that science and technology also, it is increased the nuclear family in the present age. These are the all points because of these that modern nuclear family or the modern centered family are increasing. The features of this modern nuclear family here, it is small in size. You already know that about the small in size. It means very father, mother, and then their unmarried children they live together here. And simple social controls here. It means only parents they will control the entire family matters. There will be no what interference of the others, such as your grandparents. It means grandfather, grandmother, and also uncle, auntie, or any other relatives here in the modern nuclear family. Individually here, the husband and then wife they maintain that all activities of family, whether it will be come to the matter of function or a property authority here, uh, children's education, children education day, or any other issues here. Only the parents they will control that on almost all the issues here. Therefore, it has a simple social control instead of that complexity. There will be no interference of others. Whatever the decisions will taken by in this family will take in this family those all will be taken by the only that husband and wife. And more freedom to the members. Why do they have more freedom in this family here? Because there will be no more family members here, and they do not get hesitation also to express their opinion. The family members are less, because of that, they will have here more freedom. If the family members are there more, you will get the hesitation to take any kind of that decision or to carry on the kind of activity or for the purpose of in the matter of that education. But in the modern nuclear family here, they have more freedom regarding their individuality also, regarding their needs also here. Whenever they ask, to take an example of the children here, children they do not hesitate to ask any kind of their things or their desires. Directly they will ask their parents, and if the only parents are there, they will fulfill their desires, their needs, their requirements. But in the joint family, they have to ask their grandparents also, or they have to ask other that their brothers also there. This means parents brother, because there are all that property is belongs to all the members of family. Therefore, whenever that matter comes to that financially here, there they have to ask each and every that family members. Such kind of that restrictions will be not there in the nuclear family. Therefore, here family members they will have that more freedom. ಇವಾಗ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಹಣದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಟ್ in the joint family here, the decision is depend upon only parents. No need to ask here any other family members, uncle, auntie, or that grandparents here. Individually, they will earn here that income, and then they will spend them on their children. And whenever it comes to the matter of the function out today, here they will take their own decision to carry on that. No need to ask here anyone else. But in the joint family, that person or that parents they have to ask others also. And favors of modern technology here. Due to the less number in this nuclear family here, but all family members they have more freedom and they will learn that modern technology, and whatever that income they will earn, they will spend to fulfill their desires. Most of the family members they will show their interest to learn that new ideas here of modern technology, science and technology here. And due to the, even though here it is a nuclear family here, there will be a lot of complexity in the society there regarding the security, safety, and other issues. If the parents they went out for the purpose of work here, the children they will be alone in the family there. And in some other occasions, if their parents they die, it is very difficult to think about the future of the children. Therefore, there will be complexity in the nuclear family here regarding the issues which belongs to that family. Like this here, these are about silent features of modern nuclear family. Next, it is a joint family. A family which consists of grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, children, grandchildren, and great grandchildren. That is called joint family. The characteristics of a joint family here: large in size. Nuclear family it is a small in size because only parents and their children, unmarried children, they live together. But in the joint family here, all members they will be there. Grandparents, children also, parents, children, uncle, auntie, and other than the family relatives, all they live together. Therefore, because of that, the number of that family is increased, or the size of that family is increased here. You might have seen or may not seen here. In today also, in some areas, especially in the rural area, there are a joint family. Near our village, there is a place which is 10 kilometers far away from our village. That is a Lokur. In that Lokur, there is a joint family. That surname it is Narsinhavar. In their family, still also there are nearly 300 members. All that 300 members they are living under one roof there. Their house it is also large, like our higher primary school there. It is more bigger than that school also there. All the family members they are living together there, and entire all the decisions will be taken by that leader of that family members by discussing with the others, and all they are doing the different business activities. Some they are taking care about the agriculture activities, or some they are taking care about the dairy farming, and some other they are working as a businessman outside also. Like that, and in other districts also we can see that a joint family in the rural area. But in the urban area, there will be more and more that nuclear family. And the second important characteristic of that joint family is here coordination and cooperation. Here all the family members they coordinate and cooperate each other whenever it comes to the matter of any issue which belongs to that family. It is property also, dignity also there, any kind of rights and cultural activities, functions, festivals. In these all, that all family members they will mingle or they will involve with cooperation to make it success. All together they will join their hands here to carry on that all activities to make that function successfully there. And the third it is here same residence and same kitchen. It means all family members they live in the same residence in that small rooms there. There will be rooms in that big house or a large group, and they will share according to their necessity that rooms here. It means they will allot that different that rooms. There will be more rooms in that large residence. Nearly, if according to that family members, if the family members they are only 15, there will be nearly that 3 to 4 rooms. And if it is increased after that 50, there will be nearly 10 to 15 rooms. If it is 100, it is more than also. But under one roof, there will be rooms, and they will live under that one roof there. And also all the family members use that same kitchen for cooking there. Here, just I have taken an example of that nursing house family. There is a kitchen. They will start cooking in their kitchen there morning at 4 o'clock, and up to that 10 o'clock it works according to the rotation here. That family members they'll do that food there, or they'll prepare food in that kitchen there. They start cooking morning at 4 o'clock, and up to the 10 o'clock. According to that rotation, all the family members they will work. They will prepare food in that kitchen there according to their necessities. Belief in the same religion and then practice. All family members they follow here one religion, and also that rituals, customs, traditions of that family is here. They will carry on that all rituals and customs or traditions of that joint family. Whenever it comes to the matter of any kind of festivals of religion, here all together they will celebrate, and they follow that the same tradition, same culture of their family. And self-sufficient in it. Here, that joint family it will fulfill the all requirements, needs of that family together. The last is here senior authority and responsibility here. In the joint family, that elder of the family he will be the head. How in the joint family that elder or that parent or father he will be the head like that. So in this is a joint family, senior authority. It means sometimes they will be what parent, it means father, and in some other occasions the grandfather he will be the head of the family here. And while it comes to the matter of any issues which belongs to that family, that grandfather or that father will discuss that all issues with the family members and take a right decision which is beneficial to their family there. And also that all family members will be have the same responsibility regarding the family. And whenever it comes to the matter of any kind of that work of family here, they will share that work and fight together to complete that all successfully there in the joint family. These are our characteristics of that joint family. With this here, this lesson it is over. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can ask your doubt now. Actually, there are two types of family, joint family and then nuclear family. But here, based on the leadership also, they have divided that into 3 ways. It means matriarchal family, patriarchal family, and then a modern nuclear family or modern central family there. So, everyone, Ravi Patel, Dodamani, Barodol. What do you mean by family? Answer to my question, sir. Have taken around breakfast in the morning. Breakfast ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Hello. In the beginning of this class, someone else told us corrected. It is a group of words. Hanji.
Sir, the living together of husband and wife with children or without children for a long time.
Okay. Then other. Suraksha. Siddharth. Shashank. Sampreet. Patel. Sanjana. Don't ask her any question. You want to come or not because we have just put the basic so am I right? Have you communicated to your face there? Hello, talk to me. That is very simple. Meaning only I have to regarding the meaning of the family. Family is a group of members who are living together under one roof. That is very simple. Okay, let it be there. I tell about the meaning of that nuclear family. Hello. Okay, here we do not have interest to answer my questions here. Therefore, I will conclude this class and write question answers yourself later if it is possible. Today with this here, today I will conclude the class and tomorrow is Sunday, Monday onwards. Monday there is no class. Tuesday, next class we will start the new lesson there. I won't discuss your question answers in the class because we are getting the time to complete to discuss about the if we use our lesson, if we discuss here all lesson question answers in the class here, we do not get the time to complete that syllabus. Therefore, I won't discuss about that question answers in the class. If school started regularly, there we will discuss. In the online class, it is not possible to discuss about that question answers. So therefore, by referring the notes and textbooks, you write the question answers. Okay. Thank you so much for all. Bye. Good morning, students. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So what we were discussing yesterday, students? We have discussed about the atomic number and atomic mass. Then distribution of electrons in an orbit. These things we have discussed. Then continue the class work. First one, isotopes. Next is isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element, atoms of the same element having the same atomic numbers having the same atomic numbers but different mass numbers. But different mass numbers. Isotopes are atoms of the same element, having the same atomic numbers, but different mass numbers. They have mass numbers different. Okay. For example, hydrogen has 3 isotopes. Hydrogen has 3 isotopes. So that we call as they are sodium, deuterium, and tritium. Yes, it is C and it is B and it is C. We call it as C. Here we represent hydrogen in this way. Hydrogen 1 atomic number, 1 atomic mass, and we increase 1 number here. 1 atomic mass number to 1, 3. Here, what is it? Isotopes are atoms of the same element having the same atomic number. They have the same atomic number, but they will be having the different atomic mass. 1, 2, 3. It is the atomic mass is different. Therefore, we represent atomic number. These atomic numbers are same, but atomic mass is different. This type of elements we call it as isotopes. Then we come to the carbon. If you take the carbon, carbon is having a 6 atomic number and 12 mass number. Have you completed this today? So we have taken the hydrogen. So we'll go to the carbon. Carbon also I'm taking example of this isotope. Here carbon has 2 isotopes. Carbon has 2, or you can write in the number 2 isotopes. So they are, you know that carbon C12 and 6 is the structure of an symbol of an carbon symbol, and it will be 6 Okay, if it's 12 is then it will be 14. 12, 14. So they have different mass number and same atomic number. Like that you can take chlorine also. Chlorine also has two isotopes. After this, next is isobar. We have learned about the isotopes. Now we are going to learn about the isobar. Have you completed this, student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Isobar. So isobars means isobars are atoms. Isobars are atoms of different elements of different elements having different atomic numbers. Here you can see the difference. They have different atomic numbers, but have the same mass number. Atomic numbers, but same mass numbers they have. But same mass number. So example, calcium. So you take the calcium, student. It has a 20 atomic number and 40 is a mass number. Here you will see two things, students. Two things have the same mass number. You can go to the argon also is having the different atomic number, but the mass number is same, student. Have you, you can check in your table where you have written the mass number and atomic number. So we have not written argon. Till 20 we have written, right, atomic number. So till 20 we know that atomic numbers. So in that calcium you go that 20 is the atomic number and mass number is 40. And like that, argon is also having the different atomic mass and they have a same mass number. Like this, any elements are there? Again, you go to the next one is iron. Iron is having a 26 atomic number and 58 mass number. And next you go to neon. It has a 27. Ni means what is the element, student? Ni. Ni means what is the difference? I think nickel, I think, right? Nickel element, right? Nickel, metal. Here, iron is a 26 atomic number and the mass number is 58. And like that, nickel is also having a 27 atomic number and mass number is 58. Now you can see the difference in the atomic number, but they have same mass number. So this is what isobar. This type of things we call it as isobar. Isotope means mass number is different, atomic number is same. Isobar means atomic number is different, mass number is same. That you have to keep in your mind. Yes, friends, have you completed? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Then, how we can divide the electrons, protons, neutrons in a element? How many elements are? How many electrons? How many protons? How many neutrons? We already know that electrons or protons means the atomic number which they have element, it will be the same, right? The same atomic number, how much will be there? That much will be the electrons and protons. And what about neutrons? We should know about the neutrons. When you come to the point that, so you know that atomic mass, so which letter we represent, students? Atomic mass, which letter we represent? Atomic mass, which letter we represent atomic mass? Open, fast, tell me. Atomic mass means which letter we represent here?
Z.
Z. And atomic number means A. Protons means which letter? Small p. Neutrons means small n. Electrons means E. Then you come to that. First, I'll go to write the atomic number till 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, which is having the atomic number? 1 minute. So, atomic number, so just write the first atomic number means we represent the letter is, number is A and elements. Okay, elements I'll write here. Then I'll write here atomic mass means Z. Atomic mass is Z. And protons, electrons, and neutrons. I'll write it like this. Here atomic number, elements name. Next one is Z means atomic mass. Then protons, electrons, neutrons. Okay. Now you come to that which element is having the atomic number 1, student?
Hydrogen.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 I. So hydrogen having 1 and second one helium. Third one is lithium. Fourth one is barium, boron, carbon. 7.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen 8.
Oxygen.
Oxygen 9.
Fluorine.
10.
Neon.
Neon. Now you come to that. So what is the atomic mass of hydrogen, students? You now tell me the atomic mass. Hydrogen. Tell me hydrogen. Huh?
1.
Atomic mass 1.
1.
This helium.
2. 2. 4.
Atomic mass 4. Then lithium.
9.
9. Barium.
16.
Are you seeing and telling properly? Yes, you tell me properly, students.
11. Ma'am, lithium 7.
I want mass number.
Yes, ma'am.
Lithium is 11.
7.
7. Okay, so barium,
9.
and this boron,
11.
11.
11. Carbon,
12.
12. Then this nitrogen,
14.
14. Oxygen, 8. Fluorine,
16.
this is 16. Fluorine,
19.
fluorine is 19. Okay. Then neon,
20.
so this neon or what is students? Nitrogen or what is this? Neon is
Yes, ma'am. Neon.
atomic number 10 is having neon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now protons means what is the student? Protons means how many atomic number the element has, those many only. Same you have to write atomic number only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 only. Atomic number what they have, that only. And electrons also same thing. How many protons will be there? Those many electrons will be there. Then same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then what about neutrons, students? What about neutron?
Little different.
Yes. Here helium is the atomic mass is 0, no? Yes, atomic mass is 0 helium. Right? Atomic mass is not 4 helium, it is 0.
Yes, ma'am. 0.
It is 0. You said that 4. It is 0. Now, how to find this n, student? What we have to do? We have to do Z minus A. What we have to do for finding neutron? So, atomic mass is there, no? So, we have to let the atomic number in the atomic mass minus atomic number. So, atomic mass of this, what is this? So tell me the helium atomic mass is 0 or 2, 4 students?
2.
Is it 2 or 4? Tell me, helium.
4. 2, ma'am.
So the valence is that helium is 2,
The mass is 4
4,
because 2.
4. Okay. Then you come here, what you have to do, students? Here Z is 1 is there. A means 1 is there. Minus you do it, 1 minus 1,
0.
0. Then here 4 is there, 2 is there. 4 minus 2 is
2.
2. And here 7 is there, here 3 is there. 7 minus 3,
4.
4.
4. Who is disturbing your
5.
right? Please make your right hand again. Don't disturb your head. Here 9 is there, 4 is there. 9 minus 4 is
5. Babu! Sandhya!
yes. Don't speak change. I'll find the name by audio here on the screen. I remove your name, I'm telling you, seriously. Then 5 minus 5 is different.
6.
6.
No, here 11 is the 11. You have to see the other 11 minus 5 is 6.
6.
12 minus 6 is
6.
7.
12 minus 6 is 6, no?
So,
That is the
14 minus 7. 7.
Then here
Seven.
7 is 7. 16 minus 8 is 8. 19 minus 9 is
10.
10. Then 20 minus 10 is, so these are the electrons, neutrons students. How to find the neutrons, do you know? So we know atomic number, mass number,
Minus atomic number.
protons and electrons will be same students. Protons and electrons same of the atomic number, what they have elements. But neutrons, we have to minus in the mass number. So atomic mass, what will be there? We have to minus atomic number in the atomic mass, then you will get the neutrons. So in your textbook, it is there, students, come to the exercise part, textbook is there. What is that? Your question number 19 is there, students. All of you come to that 19 question number in your textbook, exercise part. There is a, now we have understood now about these students, how to find the electrons, protons and neutrons.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then come to this table and solve this one now. Solve it very fast and tell me the answer. I just return this 19th one. What is that? Complete the following table is there. Complete the following table. So I'll represent the letters, students. I will not write the heading means atomic number means I go to that A, and mass number means I'll go to Z, number of neutrons N, protons P, number of electrons E, and number of the atomic species means elements we have to write. Elements. So they have given 9 and 16 in this second one. They left the gap here. You have to find the answer of that. 32, 24, 2 and 1. And it is 10, gap, 0. And it is 12, 1, 1. It is 0. So this is sulfur. This. So how we can find the answer here, students? Here atomic number given 9 and 16 means. And what is the atomic mass? Immediately double of this. So which,
19.
okay, 9 means which element is having atomic number 9, students?
Fluorine.
Fluorine. First you have to find it. Fluorine. First you find this. Fluorine is having that 9 atomic number. And 16 means sulfur. And 24 mass number is there. 24 mass number means what is the atomic number of 24?
12.
12. What is having 12 atomic number?
Magnesium.
So
Magnesium.
magnesium is having that. You should find like this. Okay. Then here there is the atomic mass, only atomic number is there. Which is atomic mass is there. What is the atomic mass of 2? Which element is having that?
1.
Huh?
1.
1. So 1 means what is that?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Okay. The next you come to your 1 is this one. What is this? Atomic mass 1 is there. Here 2 is the hydrogen inside.
1, ma'am.
1 means which is that? So atomic mass 2 which element has? Which element has atomic mass 2?
Helium.
Helium. Helium has atomic mass how much, students? 2 or 4? 2 only?
4.
4 they have. So which number has atomic number here? 2 atomic mass. Find it fast. The helium has atomic mass is 2. So one which is having strength, one will you
Hydrogen.
one has hydrogen, right? So
Yes.
neutrons is 0 because hydrogen atomic number is also same, mass number is also same. That's why neutron becomes 0, right? So 1 1. So here 12. So this you leave think and tell me, okay? This line. And 1 1 minus 0 neutron and 1 is there. Your electron is also they are telling that 0. Means atomic number is 1. Now, this we say that 1 means it is hydrogen. This is not hydrogen. This is hydrogen. Find its constants, remaining things, you leave this one and remaining things you find it, you tell me tomorrow what is this. 2 atomic number, what is there, and mass, what is that. Remaining you find it that, now you find the atomic number and atomic mass, neutron how many, proton how many, electrons how many. And here also protons, neutrons how many. And here we have completed everything. So these 3 you have to complete. This you leave it. You are in confusion. Tomorrow we will tell you this. Yes, are you finding, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is 9 atomic number means? What is this atomic mass?
19.
19 is there. Okay, 19 minus 9 is 10 neutrons, right? Then what is the atomic number? We have to write the same thing, protons and electrons.
9.
Okay, electrons get right. Then here 16 is there, 32 is there. 32 minus 16 is how much, students?
16.
16. Here 16 also will come. And here also 16 will come. Because atomic number is also 16 and mass number when you divide it, it comes 16. So this time. Then 12 minus 24 is there. Here atomic
12.
it is
12.
24 minus 12 is 12 and it is also 12 and it is also 12. Now you have understood. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
This one I am giving you homework to find the answer. It is not an element, student. It is not an element. It is we say,
Ma'am, deuterium.
yes, deuterium. We say that deuterium. So how we represent it? Deuterium, student.
Ma'am, atomic mass is 1.
One. Okay, one atomic neutrons, 2 minus 1, 1, 1, 1. So we call it deuterium.
Deuterium.
Deuterium. So this is the table. So all of you completing your textbook, students. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, question number 18 is there, my student. Electronic configuration, which is correct, of sodium is that. So, what is the atomic number of sodium, student? 18 questions from your textbook I am coming, just you see. Sodium atomic number is what?
11.
11? Okay. What is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 1. Is it anything? Is there, right? 2, 8, 1. So which is the correct answer is?
D.
D is the correct answer. Next, number of 17 is the number of valence electrons in chlorine ion. So chlorine ion is there, how many number of valence electrons? So chlorine atomic number is what, student?
Ma'am, answer is 8.
17 is a chlorine. And you come here, what is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 7. 8. What you said, that answer is 8, correct? Huh? 2, 8, 7. Chlorine electronic configuration is this, 2, 8, 7. And what is this valence electron? 8.
1. 1, ma'am.
Valence electrons is 8 minus 7 we do it, so its valence is 1. Okay, valence is 1. Here it is given chlorine ion or chlorine ion or is it chlorine ion. How do you say 8, students? 8. You say the answer 8. Now how did you say? So it is chlorine ion, no? That's why it is not a chlorine ion is there. So there is a outermost electrons. How many should be present? There should be 8 electrons. Then so what are the properties of electrons, protons and neutrons, students? 8. What are the properties of electrons, protons and neutrons? Yes. So we'll tell the properties of protons, neutrons, and electrons. So anybody wants to say the answer, please raise your hand. Yes, I'll leave with you. Only 5 students are present here. Yes, Shantala. Okay, I'll leave with this question. And several questions are there. No? In that one question I'll ask that. How will you find the valency of chlorine? Just now we have found that sulfur and magnesium. How do you find, students, valency number? Valency, students. So come to the first chlorine. We know that chlorine is having 17 atomic number. Sulfur having how many atomic number? Sulfur
16.
16. Magnesium is having 12.
12.
We have to go to electronic configuration, right? 2, 8, 7. Here 2, 8, 6. 2, 8, 2. So here what is the valency of students? We have to do 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Here 1 is the valency number. And here 6 is there. We have to do 8 minus 6 is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Is this 2 is the valency number. Here 2 only is there. Okay, these are the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium. Chlorine valency is 1, sulfur is 2, magnesium is 2. Understood? So how will you distribute the electrons in carbon and sodium atoms, students? Yes. How will you distribute the electrons, carbon and sodium? Sodium. So carbon atomic number is what, students? 6. Sodium atomic number is what, students?
11.
11.
11. How will you distribute the electrons? This is a nucleus. These are the cells. First cell, how many electrons would be there? 2 electrons. Second cell, you go to that. How many? 4 electrons. This is what we distribute the electrons in carbon. The next one, 11 is there. So to the nucleus, first electron orbit, second orbit, how many should be there? 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2 is 9. Again, I will go to the third cell. Then how many I should represent? 2, remaining 2. So it is what? A distribution of electrons in carbon and sodium atoms. If K and L cells of an atom are full, students, you know that this is a nucleus, this is a K and this is a L. If K and L atoms are full, means total how many electrons will be there, students? How many electrons will be there? K is also full, L is also full, means total how many electrons will be there, students, in this? Yes? Tell me fast. Now I explained it to you. Now you tell me. It is a K cell, it is a L cell. K is also full, L is also full. You know that how many electrons L cell should have and K cell should have. These two are full now. Now what is the result? What is that? Yes, students, it is very easy question I am asking you. Tell me the answer fast. Yes, K means how many should be? 2 electrons should be there, it is full. L means how many? 8 electrons should be there, it is full. Then what we say, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 electrons. Are you listening? Are you listening, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are keeping quiet, students? I am asking the now you tell me, K also full, L also full, M also full, N also full. So what is the total result? Total electrons. Tell me first. L plus M plus N. Now you tell the answer first. How many electrons should be there? Total electrons. Tell me first. You know that how many electrons should be present in the K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell. Tell the result. Fast to do it. Yes. Are you doing some, students? Some? K means how many cells, students? K means how many electrons? How many electrons should be present in the first cell?
2.
2. Then L means?
8.
Then
18.
add now. 32. 32 plus 18, how much?
60.
32 plus 18 is 60. 32 plus 18, how much?
40.
Huh?
50.
Element. 32 plus 18, how much?
50.
Huh?
40.
50.
50.
50 plus 8, 50 plus 2,
60.
60.
electrons. Total 60 electrons. Find the protons, neutrons, and electrons of these elements. So what is that? I'm giving that aluminum. It has an atomic number 8. Now you find the atomic mass, protons, electrons, and neutrons of this element. And the next one is silicon. Silicon has atomic number is 14. Find it. The next one is argon. So organ is having 18 atomic number. Now you tell me, students, what is the atomic mass of 13? Aluminum. And how do you find the proton, electron, and neutron? Eight. Are you finding, students? Are you finding the answer? If you not find, you find the answer tomorrow and tell me. Will you find the answer today or tomorrow? Will you say now only?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell it me fast. Tell me what is the answer.
Aluminum atomic mass 27.
27. Okay. Then how many protons?
13.
Electrons?
13.
Neutrons?
14.
14. Okay. Then silicon 14 is the what is the atomic mass?
28.
28. What is this proton?
14.
Electron?
14.
Neutron also?
14.
14 only. Because atomic number is same and double of the atomic number is atomic mass is there. Argon?
40.
40. Then it means the proton is 18. 18. And what is the neutron, student?
22.
22. So this is the answer. And I'll send you the exercise for students today. This lesson has completed now. Structure of an atom. Now tomorrow I'm going to start the physics lesson. Gravitation or something is there. That lesson I'll start. Have you understood this? Have you understood this lesson, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.